Yes, my friends, this is another tutorial Tuesday about remixing the track Living in a Dream. This is the fourth session I get to. And yes, I guess I am quite happy with the results. Let's switch it over to Cubase and see what we have done so far.
Wake up.
Maybe I should record that right away. I'm gonna record that. So if I record this, let's see. No, that doesn't work because I need a MIDI cable for that. I'm gonna put on the track again, and I'm gonna fix the MIDI cable right now. I have to hook up the TD-3 to the input as well, to the MIDI. Yes. Otherwise I cannot record the knobs that I am turning. Bit of spaghetti cable. Let's see. One second. precious time, but it's just real life. This is like I told. This is not prepared. I have just a little idea and how it works in the music making progress. Okay, there we put this one in the MIDI art TD-3, and if normally I would see this one is not connected, if I connect it to this, I would see. Why don't I see it? Normally, I have no idea. Normally I should. No, it's not recording. I have no idea. Normally I should. Nothing's happening. Strange. So we all this MIDI story was about nothing. Then I have to guess what's a good one. Put it. Nothing's happening. I have no idea which controllers are what, because I cannot read it. And I have them not here. That will be difficult, because now normally brightness is the cutoff, and harmonics is the resonance, but not with this one. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna do just by hand, just manual, and I have to record it another time, but just to get an idea. So I have to record the controllers. So I take a little break now, and I have to come back to you on that in this session, but I'm gonna cut it out. So see you in a bit.